How to log out of SoundCloud app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily log out of the SoundCloud app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the SoundCloud app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just look at the bottom of the screen and there you can see the option labeled as library. So just tap on it. And now here, once you are under the library, at the top right corner, you can see the gear icon. So just tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the settings, if you scroll down to the bottom there, you can see the option labeled as sign out. So just tap on it and from the confirmation message, just tap on OK and that's it. Now you have successfully logged out of the SoundCloud app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.